Maximizing solar potential, the crucial need to clean Carport solar panels. Carport solar panels stand as a dual-purpose innovation, providing shade for vehicles while harnessing the sun's energy to generate power. These structures hold tremendous potential in the quest for sustainable energy solutions. However, the effectiveness of Carport solar panels hinges not only on their design but also on proper maintenance. In this article, we delve into the compelling reasons why regular cleaning of Carport solar panels is essential for optimizing energy production and achieving long-term sustainability. 1. Unveiling the power of the sun. Solar panels are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, but they can't work at peak efficiency when covered in dirt, debris, or pollutants. Regular cleaning removes these barriers, allowing the panels to receive the maximum amount of sunlight. This, in turn, translates into higher energy output, making your investment in solar power more lucrative. 2. Overcoming efficiency loss. Dirt, dust, bird droppings, and other contaminants can accumulate on solar panels over time. These deposits create a barrier between the panels and sunlight, leading to efficiency loss. Even a thin layer of grime can significantly reduce energy production. By keeping your Carport solar panels clean, you ensure that they operate close to their rated capacity, maximizing your return on investment. 3. Preventing shading and hot spots. Carport solar panels are typically installed at an angle to optimize sunlight exposure. However, the accumulation of dirt and debris can lead to shading or hot spots on the panels. Shading occurs when certain parts of the panel are covered, while hot spots develop due to uneven heat distribution. Both scenarios result in reduced energy production and potential damage to the panels themselves. 4. Extending lifespan. Just like any other equipment, Carport solar panels require proper care to ensure their longevity. Dirty panels are exposed to higher temperatures due to reduced efficiency, which can lead to accelerated wear and tear. Regular cleaning not only maintains energy output but also extends the lifespan of the panels, ultimately reducing the need for premature replacements. 5. Environmental impact. One of the primary motivations behind adopting solar power is to reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to a greener planet. Dirty solar panels require more energy to produce the same amount of electricity, effectively negating some of the environmental benefits. By cleaning your Carport solar panels, you're actively contributing to the efficiency and eco-friendliness of your energy generation system. 6. Enhancing aesthetic appeal. Carport solar panels are not only functional but also contribute to the aesthetic appeal of your property. Dirty panels can make the entire structure look unsightly, diminishing the overall visual impact. Regular cleaning ensures that your solar carport remains an attractive addition to your property while fulfilling its energy generation purpose. Carport solar panels hold immense promise for a sustainable and energy-efficient future. To unlock their full potential, regular cleaning is not an option, it's a necessity. By keeping your panels free from dirt, debris, and pollutants, you ensure maximum sunlight absorption, efficiency, and overall performance. This simple yet crucial maintenance practice translates into higher energy production, a longer lifespan for your panels, and a more significant contribution to a cleaner environment. So, next time you admire your solar carport, remember that its brilliance isn't just skin deep, it's a reflection of your commitment to harnessing the power of the sun for a brighter tomorrow.